Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 referral was returned from the server. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand policies. Click System. Open Validate admin code signatures. Change value data to 0. Open Enable UIA desktop toggle. Change value data to 0. Close and exit registry editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.